Africa Content TV.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi ní Olorunda Abaa, ẹ̀yin dà. Ẹ mọ kí ni o. Ẹ mọ̀ pé wọ́n ní tí aláǹgbá tó bá jábọ́ láti orí ògiri àbí láti orí igi tí ò bá rẹ̀ ń tá kí òun náà kí rẹ̀ á mi orí àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ wọ́n náà níjẹ́ kí ẹ kíra yín ẹ mú kí yín torí pé you have endured. But relief is finally here. We're here today for the flag off of the dualization of the 8.3 kilometer Akobo Ojurin Odogbo Barracks Olorunda Abaa Junction Road. This road is vital to the people of Lagelu local government area as it connects Akobo to Olorunda Abaa, and it will bring development to this axis. Ìgbà tí mò ń ṣe campaign lọ ní 2023 elections yìí, ìjọ yẹn à ń bọ̀ láti Igbó Elérin wá sí Olorunda Abaa, Igbó Elérin oríta mẹ́rin Olorunda Abaa, àdìgbà tá a fi máa dé Ojurin bí it was almost like 11 p.m. ṣùgbọ́n some of you ẹ dúró dè wá ẹ kò ṣe pé ẹ dúró dè wá níjọ́ yẹn nìkan ẹ tún fi ìbò yín sọ̀rọ̀. So alẹ́jọ́ yẹn bá ṣe ń bọ̀ láti Olorunda Abaa, I kept seeing lights, vehicles. Mo ní mi ò mọ̀ pé a lot of people ti move sí this axis. So I promised while on the campaign trail that this road will be awarded before the end of Omituntun 1.0. And a few days to the end of that tenure, some people were already going around saying, Seyi Makinde is a promise and fail. Mo kà lórí internet ni. But we kept our promise and awarded the contract. And today, we're keeping our promise by flagging off the construction. You can see that the work has already started. The equipment is here, and the contractor has promised that it will be completed in 12 months. So we're counting 12 months from today, and at least 30% full contractor, 30%. So we expect that the work will progress. Ẹjọ́ mo fẹ́ bẹ̀ ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ní Olorunda Abaa àti axis yìí. I'd wanted to just fix the road single lane, but mo mọ̀ pé tá a bá ṣe single lane kí wa náà ní bá ṣe, but pẹ̀lú development tí mo rí ní this axis, another 2, 3, 4 years dualization ni wọ́n máa call fún. So we decided to bite the bullet and dualize it once and for all. But you know it will cause pain because some properties will go. Benny, well, what I can promise you ni pé any property Taba law we will promptly pay compensation to the people. So I seek cooperation here to work with the contractor and to cooperate with them so that our 12 months can be 12 months. As I said earlier, the situation on this road has caused our people hardship, and I again thank the people for their endurance. We know it has not been easy, but in a situation where you have limited resources, you must follow a strategy that ensures that while you are carrying out projects, if possible, you are able to raise revenue from those projects to enable you to carry out even more projects. And so now that we have done or are in the process of completing most of the major road linkages across the state, we will pay more attention to the inner roads and assist the local government councils to carry out their responsibilities. As I have always said, the local government councils do not have enough funds to meet their obligations to pay salaries and still carry out projects. But under Omitutu 2.0, we will work even harder to support them to do more. These roads, the dualization, 8.3 kilometers, was awarded for about, I think, 9.6 billion naira. And Lagelu local government, ni wọ́n funded. Ṣé magician ni wá, àbí? Well, let me say this to you. Lagelu local government will be the vehicle, the instrument, but the standard is the state, is the state standard. Kò yàtọ̀ sí bó ṣe ń bọ̀ láti Ìdí Àpẹ́ tó fi dé Akobo Ojurin. The same standard will get to Olorunda Abaa. So I then advise the chairman Lagelu local government. Bí èmi náà bí mo ṣe ń lọ sí Abuja láti lọ bá president, because àwọn kan sọ pé Seyi lẹ́nu ìgbà tíjọba yìí débẹ̀ láàrin ọ̀sẹ̀ kan mo ti lọ sí Aso Rock bíi ẹ̀mẹ́rin. Ibo lẹ fẹ́ kí n máa lọ ná? Ṣé Yémà lẹ fẹ́ kí n máa lọ ni? Màá máa lọ sí ibi tí wọ́n ti lè refund Ọ̀yọ́ state ní owó tá a ti ná sórí federal roads. So I will continue to go to Aso Rock láti plead fún refund. So chairman Lagelu local government, tẹ́bí náà bá ti gba refund ti federal, ìwọ náà máa bọ̀ wá bá wa láti gba refund láti state wá sí influence onígbè. Well, we all should remember that we have a responsibility to pay our taxes and levies, because this is the main way that government will get money to meet its obligations. So please, pay your taxes on time and pay to the right account so that the money comes to the government and not any individual's pocket. Well, we also know that things are getting harder. The subsidy on PMS, and the petrol, has been removed, and this makes transportation costs increase further. Well, I've already set up a committee to look into what we can do about increasing civil servant salaries. But I know that everyone in Oyo State is not a civil servant. So we have decided to deploy more Omitutu buses to ease off the transportation worries. I have also directed that there should be no increase in the fare paid on these buses. Furthermore, school children and our senior citizens will board these buses at half price. We will continue to look into other ways of easing the burdens you bear. And let me also use this opportunity to update you on the Light Up Oyo project. We know this project is one of the ways we are ensuring economic security for our people, because when the lights are on, our people are able to stay out longer and carry out economic activities. As promised, we carried out the audit and we have reached an alignment with the contractors. So I assure you that in the next 2 to 3 weeks, all the lights will be back on, and then we'll continue to expand the project. While we were campaigning, it was as if we were speaking in theory. Mo sọ pé omi tuntun apá kejì, pé á dùn ju omi tuntun apá kìíní lọ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́? Under omi tuntun apá kìíní, it took us up until November ká tó flag off the first project. We flagged off the first project November 2019, but under omi tuntun apá kejì àti flag off projects láàrin ọ̀sẹ̀ kan àtijọ́ díẹ̀. So now you're seeing in practical terms, we started strong, and by the grace of God, we will finish strong. And I also use this opportunity to name the stretch of road from Idiape all the way, dualize all the way to Olorunda, Abaa, as Governor Nyesom Wike Road. So we shall now proceed to flag off the dualization of Akobo, Ojurin, Odogbo, Barracks, Olorunda, Abaa Junction Road, and I'll do it to the glory of God and for the benefit of the good people of Oyo State. Thank you and God bless you.